guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming to spend some time with me today. I have the regular BoxyCharm to unbox today. Excuse the mess around me. I'm packing up things, getting ready for what will be a move, sending things out through Mascara. Check that out in the link below if you have not already. I did this look today with the Tati Volume Neutrals 1 palette. I really enjoy that palette. It's the first like real look I've gotten to do with it. I did do another look with the Bloom palette. I just haven't put it up yet, so that will be up before Valentine's Day as well. But let's dive into this guy right here. So this is the $25 a month. It comes out to be a little bit more with tax and fees, especially depending on where you are. And this is there is a Boxy Premium also coming this month, so that will also be here. And I am grabbing the card for you all. So the theme this month is BoxyCharm XOXO. And I will take these out one by one. The first one being the Ace Beauté, a nostalgical palette. Oh, nostalgia palette. Oh my gosh. It's one of those. So this is the front of the palette. I have not used this. I didn't use this for this look just because I'm a little bit unsure if I want to keep this. It is a beautiful palette with a bunch of fun bold colors, which is typically what I like. I really do want to jump into it. It's just that I have so many palettes, a lot of with the same color story, and if not exact the same color story, I could pair it together with a bunch of other palettes. So we will see if I keep this or not, or if I donate it or sell it, because I do need all the money I can get for the move. So I will let you guys know, keep you updated. And if I do a look, I will absolutely video record, like if there was going to be some type of other recording. I'll absolutely record it and post a tutorial if I do end up keeping it. So this, I believe, is $34. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's $38.99. It's not a weird price at all, I suppose. $38.99. Why not just $40 or $39? But who cares? Okay, so Tula Skincare is the next one. It's So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. So I do love my Tula products. I'm not going to open this right now. Obviously, I'm not washing my face right now, but I'm also just not going to open it because, as you know, in this world of unboxings, you tend to have a lot of stuff. I do love the brand Tula, and I do look forward to using it as long as there's no like walnut or anything that would actually break the barrier down of the skin. The next thing I have, the Tula is $32. The next thing I have is the Tristique Eye Duo in Good Vibes. It's a mascara and eyeliner pencil. So we actually have gotten this mascara before, and I do actually enjoy the mascara. It is a mascara that actually would get better with each use. It's a good formula. I would say like it's a thicker formula. This little contraption here that is supposed to curl your lashes was not it for me. It did pinch me a few times, and you only get like one area in at a time, although it's a pretty cool invention for somebody that can use it and doesn't have the same eye shape as me. The pencil though I have not used. I'm just kind of wondering why we got this twice. I guess technically it's not the same thing, but you know, we did get this already if you've been, with Boxy for more than like, I guess, a year or two. And that, my friends, is $44. So $22 per pencil and the mascara. It's a lot for that. Okay, the next thing is the Glamiere Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection, and this is going to be $29.95. So I don't know if anybody caught the plastic wrapping that was on this, but it says like it had cancer causing, I don't know if it was in the brushes or the plastic on here, I don't know, but I caught that little sticker that was added to around this. This reminds me of being in a pool or like blowing up a pool floaty, if you guys have smelled that. So I actually did not get to use these, but they're so cute. So it came with 4 pencils, and the 4 pencils have this like old school I don't know if you guys can see. So cute. So they are hearts inside. And the little glitter hearts go up and down. So there's 4 types. So this first type would be like a flat packing brush, or you could also use it as a blending brush, as it does have a little bit of a fluffy end to it. This would absolutely be used as a blending brush. It's a little bit thicker of a blending brush as well. This guy right here could be great as the bottom smudger of either eyeliner or just the color that you want to use on the bottom. And this would be great for brows. Ooh, sorry about that. Brows or liner. And it's actually a pretty decent, I don't know if you guys can see how thick it is. Yeah, it's pretty decent. It's not like one of those really thick ones. It's not super thin either, but it's packed pretty well. Yeah, so I love this. I am going to keep this. This is what I'm actually most excited about in this box so far. Well, at all, because I see what's next. So this is what's next, and it is the EVO Beauty Pore Perfecting Primer. It's a moisturizing primer with a matte finish. Now, I am a more luminous girl. I do have dry skin, so matte is not necessarily really going to be my thing. I think I will keep this for a giveaway, or like I said, again, to sell. I do hear good things about this product. It's just not really for me. I don't have super bossy pores, and I also really don't like a matte finish. I had an actual issue with the, is it Porefessional from, who makes that? Benefit, I believe. It did break me out, so that wasn't really my match, so this is not going to be it for me. So yeah, my favorite thing is actually this, and I really do like the way that the palette looks. I'm just not sure if it's something I'm going to be using. I don't want to be wasteful, and on top of that, you know, I really do have colors like that. I'm going to look through my palette to make sure. If I don't have anything like it, it is a perfect spring or summer palette. So there is that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is not my favorite box by any means. Actually, one of my least favorite boxes. I did get my premium, and that will be up shortly as well, because I did do a tutorial on that one, so it's taking a little bit more to edit. I'm waiting on my my ipsyX, which should be in any day now. It's weird, it was supposed to already be in. It took a trip all the way to, oh, it was in New Jersey, and then it took a trip to Maryland for some reason, because I'm in Jersey, and now it's got to make its way back. I don't know. So hopefully that will be here sooner than later, because I'm watching all of you guys post your clips and, you know, your videos of you opening your ipsyX's, and I really want to open mine. So I hope you guys are all enjoying those. Stop back for that. I have a bunch of other really fun stuff to tape as well. So make sure you guys, which I never do, hit the subscribe button, give this a like, send me a little heart if you've made it this far. And since Valentine's Day can often be another hard holiday for the mental, I would really love for us to do something together. If we could, either you want to put it down below, or you can keep it to yourself as well. I think it'd be really great, like, emotional and mental game to think of 3 things that we really love about ourselves every day for a week. It could be the same 3 things, or you could really try to challenge yourself and do 3 positive things that you love about yourself, 3 different things every day. And then at the end of the night, I would love for you guys to think of 3 things that you would love to improve about yourself. This is not like you putting yourself down, oh, I'm no good at this. It's more of, you know, for myself, I really could do better at using the help of others and not so much shooting that down. I could do better when it comes to people trying to be there for me and me really shutting myself in. And I really could just be kinder to myself in general. So I mean, not things that we want to beat up on ourselves for, more than like mental health wise, what we could make better about ourselves so that we could help ourselves love ourselves better. And 3 positive things being like, I am a kind person. I'm really kind and caring. I'm like overly empathetic. I really will try to find the positive in things, and I really am quick to stand up for what I believe in. I think they're 3 really positive characteristics about me for myself. So please tell me some of your positive characteristics. Also, try to, whether you want to share them or not, think about 3 things that you would love to better your own mental health. Again, this is not to beat up on yourself. It's the things that you could do to help yourself in the long run, by being more positive about some of the things we can tweak ever so slightly to make our own mental health better in the future. Be kind to yourself. I hope that you all have a wonderful weekend. If I do not see you before, I hope you all have a happy Valentine's Day. I love all of you. Happy Valentine's Day to all of my Valentines. Sending you all so much light and love. And I will see you on the next time. Bye, guys.